بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum students. Dear students, I know you are waiting for exercise. I am sure you are ready. Now open page 7 and locate question number 1. Match the Arabic numbers with Roman numbers. Look, these all are Arabic numbers and these are Roman numbers. You will match each Arabic number with its Roman number. So look, the first one is 9. Its Roman number is this, IX. Look to 4. The Roman number for 4 is IV. For 2, 2 I's. For 10, just X. For 8, V plus 3, 5 plus 3. For 22, X or 2 times 10. For 11 is XI or 10 plus 1. For 15 is XV or 10 plus 5. Students, look to question number 2. Convert the given Arabic numbers to Roman numbers. You will convert all these Arabic numbers into Roman numbers. Come to question 3. Convert the given Roman numbers to Arabic numbers. Roman numbers are given to you and you will convert these Roman numbers into Arabic numbers. Both the questions are your homework. You will fill the blanks with the help of your guardians. Okay, come to question number 4. What lies between the given Roman numbers? Now look here. This is 10 plus 8. 18. Then this one is 20. Between these two numbers there is 19. 10 plus 9. 19. Part B is 14. 10 plus 4, 14, and this is 16. 10 plus 6 is 16. In between both numbers is 15. Look, after 14, 15, then 16. 6, then 7, then 8. Look, 4, then 5, then 6. Look to question number 5. What comes after? We will write after numbers, after Roman numbers. After 10, we will add 1 with X, 1 with 10, it will come 11, 10, then 11. This is 5 plus 2, 7. Then after 7 is 8, 5 plus 3, 8. C part, 1 minus 10 is 9. Then after 9 is 10. Just 1x. Look at D part, 10 plus 2, 12. After 12 is 13, 10 plus 3. Come to question number 6. What comes before? Now we will write those numbers which comes before these numbers. So look, this is 10 plus 7, 17. Before 17 is 16. We will write 10 plus 6, 16, then 17. Okay, look at 11. 10 plus 1 is 11. Before 11, 10 comes. This is just 1x. Look at part C. 2x make 20. Before 20 is 19. 10 plus 9 is 19. Look at D part. 10 plus 9, 19. Before 19 is 18. So you will write x plus 10 plus 8, 18. Look to question number 7. Write the time in Arabic number. You have 8 clocks, colorful clocks. You will write its time in Arabic numbers, and in clock there are Arabic numbers from 1 to 12. You will write the time in Arabic numbers, and in clock there is Roman numbers. Okay, so the first one is done for you. In Roman clock there is 6 o'clock. The time is 6 o'clock. Look at B part. Here the time is 9 o'clock. In C part the time is 8 o'clock. In D part the time is 11 o'clock. Part E is 2 o'clock. In part F is 3 o'clock. In part G there is 5 o'clock. And in part H the time is 10 o'clock. Dear students, मैं उम्मीद रखती हूँ कि आपको काम में कोई दुश्वारी नहीं होगी। अगर कोई भी मसला है तो आप व्हाट्सएप पे अपना मसला बता सकते हैं, और मुझे उम्मीद है कि आप अपना काम वक्त पर और अच्छे तरीके से करेंगे। ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज़, टेक केयर।
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.